Greetings, it's March 11th, 2021. This will be part one, the first day of work on a new tolerance education and human rights education artwork, which will be number 45 in the Sightseeing with Dignity Human Rights Art Series. So I did the drawing that you see on the right here in pencil. That's like the first stage. I did just a quick drawing of an allegorical sea monster on a separate piece of paper, which I'll be redoing it on the same board. The portrait of the slain circ services library clerk is drawn on. Wanda Walters was 61. She worked in circulation services at the Clovis Carver Public Library in New Mexico. She and a 48-year-old youth services librarian were both shot to death in a terrorist attack at the library. Several patrons were shot and survived, one age 10, one age 20, a brother and sister, and a 53-year-old man. So I had bought this frame at a Goodwill store. It had a mirror in it. I took the mirror out. I got plexiglass to replace it. And I'm thinking of how it reminded me so much of an old pre-computer era library card catalog, like front, the drawers that used to pull out with the index cards. I decided this would be a good frame to do a memorial drawing about one of the slain library staff. This also hit home for me personally. Not that every mass shooting I hear about doesn't, as they all do, but this one in particular. My mother was a librarian and worked at the Queensboro Public Library in Queens, New York for many years. Retired there in 1988. I worked as a clerk at Seattle Public Library for 29 years in circ services myself. All right, to be continued. Before I do the allegorical sea monster, I'm gonna work on the portrait of Walters here. So to be continued.